Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Purple from Roblox Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the top section with a large rectangle. Next, inside, let's add a border like this. Now from the bottom corners, let's draw a small angle up. And the same thing on the right. Next, let's draw a line across connecting these two lines. And then vertical lines on the sides. Next, let's move to the top of the rectangle and draw angles line up and in. And now a line across the top to connect the two sides. And that's it for the basic shape of the top section. Now let's move on and draw the bottom grate. From the bottom, let's draw angled lines down and out. And now a line across to connect the two sides. Next, inside, let's add a border like this. Now from the top corners, let's draw lines down and in. And now let's connect them across. And then from the bottom, another angled line down. It should be parallel to the line above it. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw lines down at the bottom. And then a straight line across to close it off. And that's it for the frame of the grate. Let's move in and add the bars inside. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve here. And then lines going down. Now let's move to the left and let's draw another bar. Let's start with a curve. And then this time we're going to angle the lines out. And now let's do the same thing on the right. And now let's add one more set of bars on the outside. Next, let's erase any of those lines that are inside the top of the bars. Now let's move back to that top section and let's add the eyes. Let's start with a large circle on the left. And the same thing for the right eye. Next, inside, let's draw another circle. And now let's color them both in black. Next, let's draw the arms and hands coming out. Next to the eye, let's draw a curve here. And the same on the right. Now from both sides, let's bring it down, stopping here. And now let's do the same for the right arm. And now let's draw the fingers at the end. Let's draw a large point down and back up. And the same on the right side. And now 2 more fingers next to it on both hands. Now to close it off, let's add the thumb, so it's going to go inwards and then back around to the fingers. And the same for the right. And lastly, let's erase any of the lines that are inside the hands and arms. And that's it for purple. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!